That's too wide.
Too wide apart?
Yeah.
Some closer together?
Like this?
Yeah, the thing is like
Like this then?
yeah, if like it scratches their feet, they could get infected from their foot. So you can't have it too wide.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's better. Or maybe like 2 centimeters.
Okay.
Yeah, that's 3 centimeters, right? Or 4. About 2 centimeters. Do you need a ruler?
I just find some piece of wood which I can put in between.
Yeah.
I just find another. I just cut one which is 2 centimeters wide and just lay it, and then I can put the next one.
Yeah. Wow, okay, that's
Is
good.
that too wide? Because that's the measurement.
Yeah, so you either have to adjust it to here or to here.
I just cut one in little action.
Yeah, like around when it comes to here, you could just cut it in half or something. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Oh, that's too wide.
It's about 3, no? Or it could be, yeah, it's about 2.5. Yeah, that might do.
I can.
But there's a ruler right there, like in the toolbox, the measure.
Yeah, but that's not here. I just put it here, and then I put the wood and just hammer it.
Ah. Well,
Oh, this is it's too wide.
yeah, it's a bit too thick, no? You could just cut a piece of that.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I can find something.
Or this. No?
Oh, that's.
It's too flimsy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to cut it straight.
Okay. Wow, it's looking really nice.
Do you guys have a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Yeah, and we don't edit our videos, so it's really shit. No, but that's our concept. We don't want to edit. Yeah. We don't want to waste too much time on the PC.すごいじゃん。これバタンと落ちてこない？
パターンって
落ちてくるじゃん。
あれですかね。
大丈夫アイアレン。おごめん、ほら。Sorry, man. でも、what are we gonna do with this? You're gonna have a stand. Okay. ごめん、大丈夫。すいません。
痛いですか？
すいません。ごめんなさい。ちゃんと働いてますか、うかちさん。
はい、これは面白そうなんで。
いいじゃん、すごいじゃん。Wow, very nice.
We already have the roof. It's right here.
Yeah, cool. You found the roof from the little shed, right?
No, it's the same metal.
Ah,
Do
okay.
you know what this metal is?
No, what is it for?
It's a gutter metal. It's where you use for the hydroponic farms.
Okay,
You make the base on where you put the plants on, and this is made from this material.
I see.
So I guess it's just some leftover. And one roll, I think it's like the big ones. They're 2.5 kilometers, 2 kilometers, and they're about 3,000 euros. One roll.
Wow, okay.
They're very expensive.
It is
this
expensive.
material.
All right. You sure it's not going to be that hot for the chickens? I guess not, because here it's going to be a net too, right?
Yeah, and there's a hole here.
Okay. As long as the heat can travel out from on top, I think you'll be all right.
Yeah.
すごいね。
Welcome to the shaking tractor tour. This is the shaking tractor. You have a beautiful roof right here. Water goes down, and the roof is overlapping. Then there's a front door, and it has a little closing thingy here, so no wind can open it or cats. And then up here, that's where the nests go for the eggs. There's a little door, so when we transport the shaking tractor, the chickens can't go back inside. That's why we also made the net ourselves.
Okay.
And if you want to steady the door like that,
Ooh.
and then you can go outside. Grab
How
the
could you
eggs.
open that door?
This one, there's a little nail up here. And then you just flip it up by hand. And then you can open the door.
Okay.
And then put this back in here. There's a little wire here on the side.
Yeah.
So the stick doesn't fly away. You can see here.
Okay.
We closed all this, so no snakes or something can go inside. This is rain protection, because I guess the chickens want to have some rain protection when they lay their eggs.
Yeah. What are these things for?
So two people one person here, one on the other side, they can just carry it
Ah,
to
okay.
somewhere else. So there's no floor, so the chickens are eating the grass.
Right.
There's a little door here. This is like to lock the door and then
Yeah, that's
down
cool.
here, little handle, and there's
Whoa.
something like this too, so the door gets locked.
Oh wow, nice.
Then the chicken bridge, it's hanging. Because this
Okay.
will all be grass. Down here will be grass.
Right.
And up there is the door with the doorknob, and you can push it open.
Oh, cool.
The chickens can also sit on this one if they want to.
Okay, yeah. Cool.
And then to close the door, back, and then nail down.
And that's it. Arigato.